Oh, you know what? Let's introduce this. This is just a regular router. This has got a nice OG bit on there. Okay. And I'm going to run it down this piece of that KDAT right there. It's 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to rip it on the table saw and pretty much be good to go, just about. All right. Now we'll just put this on here, right? Cool, you know, so then we just do it again. But somebody might ask the question, well, Steve, what about the saw blade marks that you left on there? I mean, you can't really see them right now, but you'll probably be able to see them through the paint. Well, here's what I'll do is I'll run it through my joiner real quick. I mean, if you didn't have a joiner and you need to make a window stop like that real quick, sure, just sand the saw marks off. But this just saves so much time because I'm already set up. There. No more saw marks. Somebody else might say, Steve, why don't you just set up a router table? Well, that wouldn't be a bad idea. I have router tables set up for other things, but not for this yet. But the value is being able to do this out in the field, right? You know, if you're on site and you need a window stop, this is a great way to do it. So, I don't know, maybe not everybody's as comfortable with a router as I am, but when I was growing up in Texas as a carpenter, building decks, one of my jobs as a carpenter helper was to route all of our deck boards, hundreds and hundreds of deck boards. And so I could still feel my forearm burning from holding that router, you know? But I mean, it's the same basic principle. I mean, you just put that decorative edge on there and then you just rip the edge off. It's just, you know, it's not complicated. Somebody else might say, hey Steve, why don't you do both sides at once? Well, because I like to do things the hard way. You know, you want to do things the hard way, and everybody knows that you're a hard worker. Do things the easy way, they might think something like, man, that dude don't know how to work hard. So I'm gonna do things the hard way. Actually, that's probably a pretty good idea. So. And that's not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's kind of a 1. Let's see. 11. Oh wow. It's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 sticks. That's not bad. That's 12 windows. Cool. I'll put these up and I'll meet you back at the job, huh?
Awesome.
All right. Cool.